हेलो फ्रेंड, आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल लॉ स्टडी विद एनएक्स में। और मैं आज लेके आया हूँ कोड ऑफ सिविल प्रोसीजर 1908 के प्रीवियस जुडिशियल एग्ज़ाम में पूछे गए इम्पोर्टेंट 20 क्वेश्चंस और उनके आंसर। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, फॉरेन कोर्ट अंडर सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 5 ऑफ CPC मीन्स। ऑप्शन इज ए कोर्ट situated outside India. B. A court situated outside India and not established under the authority of Government of India. C. A court situated in India applying foreign law. D. All the above. The right answer is option B. A court situated outside India and not established under the authority of Government of India. Question second. Who amongst the following is not a public officer within the meaning of section 2 subsection 17 of CPC? The option is A. Judge. B. Sarpanch of Gram Panchayat. C. A persons in the service getting pay for the government. D. None of the above. The right answer is option B. Sarpanch of Gram Panchayat. Question third. A degree can be. Option is A. Preliminary. B. Final. C. Either preliminary or final. D. None of the above. The right answer is option C. Either preliminary or final. Question fourth. Under the section 2 subsection 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure, judgment means. Option is A. Degree. B. Order. C. Statement on ground of degree or order. D. Degree or order. The right answer is option C. Statement on ground of degree or order. Question fifth. Which of the following decisions is not a decree within the meaning of section 2 subsection 2 of CPC? Option is A. Dismissal of application for final decree. B. Award of tribunal in land acquisition cases. C. An order of abatement. D. Order modify a scheme under section 92. The right answer is option B. Award of tribunal in land acquisition cases. Question 6. What will be nature of order passed by the court rejecting the plaint of non-payment of court fee? The option is A. Decree. B. Preliminary decree. C. Interlocutory order. D. Final order. The right answer is A. Decree. Question 7. Which of the following section of Civil Procedure Code define an order? Option is A. Section 2 subsection 2. Option B. Section 2 subsection 9. Option C. Section 2 subsection 14. Option D. Section 2 subsection 15. The right answer is option C. Section 2 subsection 14. Question 8. The provision relating to men's profit are provided in which section of Civil Procedure Code 1908? The option is A. Section 2 subsection 10. Option B. Section 2 subsection 20. Option C. Section 2 subsection 14. Option D. Section 2 subsection 16. The right answer is option B. Section 2 subsection 20. Question 9. Code of Civil Procedure 1908 is a. Option is A. Substantive law. B. Procedure law. C. Combination of substantive law and procedure law. D. Directory law. Right answer is option B. Procedure law. Question 10. Which of the following is a decree? Option is A. Order of abandonment of suit. Option B. Dismissal of appeal as the time barred. Option C. Dismissal of suit for want to be evidence. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option D. All of the above. Question 11. Judges is defined in the preceding officer of civil code under the filling the blank of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. The option is A. Section 2 subsection 8, option B section 2 subsection 4, option C section 2 subsection 5, option D section 2 subsection 2. The right answer is option A section 2 subsection 8. Question 20. The principle of res judicata does not apply in case of writ of. Option is A. Habeas corpus, B. Mandamus, C. Quo warranto, D. Prohibition. The right answer is A. Habeas corpus. Question 13. Which of the following section of Civil Procedure Code is related to pecuniary jurisdiction of Civil Code? Option is A. Section 4, option B. Section 5, option C. Section 6, option D. None of above. The right answer is option C. Section 6. Question 14. Civil Procedure Code Amendment Act 2002 was in first form. Option is A. 1st April 2002, option B. 1st June 2002, option C. 1st July 2002, option D. 6th June 2002. The right answer is option C. 1st July 2002. Question 15. Say which of the following suit are accepted for the cognizance of provincial small cause court. Option is A. A suit to obtain injunction. Option B. A suit to reinstate waste. Option C. A suit for specific performance of contract. Option D. A suit for recovery of rent other than house rent. The right answer is option D. A suit for recovery of rent other than house rent. Question 16. Which of the following is not a decree? Option is A. Rejection of plaint. Option B. Dismiss in default. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Neither A nor B. The right answer is option B. Dismissal in default. Question 17. Rule of constructive res judicata is contained in which explanation to section 11 of CPC? Option is A. Explain second, B. Explanation third, C. Explanation fourth, D. Explanation 5. The right answer is option C. Explanation fourth. Question 18. CPC, the principle of res judicata can be invoked. Option is A. Only the separate proceeding. Option B. Also the subsequent stage of the same proceeding. Option C. Depend upon something. Option D. None of above. The right answer is option B. Also in subsequent stage of the same proceeding. Question 19. The expression former suit in the context of rule of res judicata means a suit which has been. Option is A. Institute prior to the suit in question. Option B. Decide prior to the suit in question. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Neither A nor B. The right answer is option B. Decide prior to the suit in question. Question 20. Which provisions of the code deal with the concept of constructive res judicata? Option is A. Section 10. Option B. Section 11. Option C. Section 20. Option D. Section 13. The right answer is option B. Section 11. ये थे आज के सिविल प्रोसीजर कोड के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें, साथ ही हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।